Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to create a box plot in Excel. To get started, open the spreadsheet. After this, select the data to graph. Then, in the Insert menu, click on the Insert Statistics Chart option, and then choose Box and Whisker. Now you can see your data in this box plot in Excel. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.